Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very important because in this video we are going to discuss, is it the worst time to take a release from a project? Okay, suppose you're assigned to any project and you are currently working in that project. So should you take a release or not? The second point that we are going to discuss is what exactly is the ramp down request by the clients, okay, and why they are asking for ramp down with the projects. Okay, the third point that we are going to discuss is the people who are currently having a good profile, that is digital profile for TCS, for Infosys, digital specialist engineer or the specialist programmer profile, okay, or some other profiles in companies like Capgemini and Accenture, okay. So are these profiles at risk? Okay, why you should be aware of these situations that are happening in the IT industry. So let us begin with the video. Now, before moving forward, please like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel because that is very important for you to get regular updates about the things that are happening in the IT industry. So, let's move forward. Now, the number one thing I would like to tell you is that the companies, okay, the service-based companies which are there in India, basically like TCS, Infosys, Accenture, Capgemini, Cognizant, all these companies are majorly service-based companies. Okay, so the principal core value of these companies is they provide services to companies in the US, Europe, and all across the world. If you look at the companies from USA, okay, you will have Amazon, Alphabet, Facebook, Salesforce, Apple. Again, you have Walt Disney, Oracle, Netflix, IBM, a lot of other companies, right? Dell, Airbnb, Adobe, Uber, Spotify, you have Verizon, okay, lot of companies such as Goldman Sachs, PwC, Boston Consulting Group, Baker Hughes, WeWork, Citadel, okay, Caring. So a lot of other companies, a bunch of companies which are where TCS and companies similar to TCS are providing their services. Okay, now if you look at some other companies like ExxonMobil, like Williams, Walmart, FedEx, okay, so for all these companies, Ford, P&G, McDonald's, okay, so for all these companies, softwares and all the supports, IT supports or any other product related things that are being provided by the service based companies from India. Okay, I hope that point is clear to you. Okay, now the next point is if you look at the Europe as well. Okay, major companies such as Volvo, Volkswagen. Okay, you have Deutsche Bahn, you have major banks in the Europe. Okay, Santander, HSBC, UBS, Deutsche Bank, PNB Paribas. Okay, so Credit Suisse, all these banks are top banks which are there in the Europe, and they are clients of TCS and similar companies. Okay, if you look at other companies such as Skyscanner, Shazam, okay, Trivago, so all these companies again they off schedule or they schedule the task and they get it done from companies in India. Okay, so simply put, these companies, like Indian IT companies, which are service based, they are hugely dependent on other companies. If these companies from Europe, or I would rather call as USA, Canada, okay, entirely North America, or the entire Europe, Russia, okay, New Zealand, Australia, so all these companies in the even the Middle East as well, okay. So all these companies are, if they perform well, okay, if they are generating profits, if they are generating good revenues, only then and then TCS and similar companies to TCS will be getting good projects and new development projects. Okay, so they will be getting more work, and that is the reason they will be hiring more and they will be having a lot of work. But right now, what is happening in the current economy? Majorly, the IT companies are hit just because there are a lot of profits that are not being generated by these companies that we have discussed about. If you look at the Europe scenario, like this Credit Suisse, UBS, so all these banks are making defaults. Okay, similarly, Silicon Valley Bank from US, okay, which is the powerhouse of the entire economy of the world. Okay, it is assumed to be the powerhouse. So even companies from US are failing, and that is the reason why there is a huge recession like fear in the market, and that is the reason why again the financial performance are not very good in these companies. So that is the reason why clients are actually opting for ramp down. What they are doing, simply put, is if they are paying 100 rupees to TCS or any company such as Infosys, okay, so if they're paying 100 rupees, out of that 100 rupees they are paying 50 rupees for new development projects, and they're paying 50 rupees for the existing projects for existing support and development. Okay, so what they will do is they will simply put cut off the cost for the 50 that they're paying for new development projects or new innovation project, or something that they are developing from core, okay, from zero. So they will stop that paying TCS and other companies. So that is the reason why what will happen basically, if you go to product based companies, they entirely remove the team which is developing that feature or that product. Okay, but if you go to service based companies, what they simply do is they simply downgrade, like ramp down the request, so that the people who are working on the project, they are removed from the project, and they are again billable by TCS, not the client. So this is what they are doing. Okay, so this is about the ramp down request that is being asked by the client. Okay, we have discussed about this ramp down request. Now what is exactly is happening? Okay, so a lot of people actually are not working in good projects, or they are not happy and they want to switch and they want to prepare for different companies. Okay, so what is happening? Or even a lot of people who are not working, okay, actually they are on bench as well. So is it the worst time to take the release? I will simply put this, that a lot of companies are actually doing the ramp down request, and that is the reason you will definitely get the release very easily. Okay, in some of the projects, if you are the key resource in that project, then there can be a possibility that they will not give you release. They can release some other new people or some other people who are getting hefty amount of packages from TCS and other companies. Okay, so this is what is currently happening. Even we have had a look at the situation wherein the scrum masters from the client side are also being removed, and the scrum masters will be now made from TCS team, because comparatively the client has to pay less to TCS than what they are actually paying the scrum masters from their side. Okay, so this is also happening from their side. Okay, in order to reduce the cost and in order to increase the profits. Okay guys, now let us talk about the digital candidates. Okay, why they should be aware, the digital or digital specialist candidates from Infosys or the companies as well. Now what is happening? So simply put, client does not want to consume more money on these projects. So that is the reason what they will do is they will simply ask the project managers from TCS to remove the people who are getting hefty packages. Okay, again the same thing. So you will ultimately get released from the project. Okay, and once you go into a normal pool, okay, RMG pool, then you are safe. But if you go to the common pool, okay, so if you're not able to find a good project in like a 1 month or so, then you will be moved to the common pool that is present. Okay, and from there you will have to take continuous efforts to get into a good project. Okay, because you will there are very less chances of getting into new projects or new development projects or new automation or any other projects. Okay, so that is a reason why this is not the correct time to take releases from the project. Simply put forward that this is the worst time to take the release, because there are very less projects that are available, and the less projects that are actually hiring for the candidates. Okay, I mean from the pool. Okay, hiring for the candidates from the pool, and that is the reason for people who are getting hefty pays from TCS or any other company. Okay, it can be Capgemini, it can be Accenture, it can be Infosys, it can be Cognizant. Okay, any other companies such as SCL, Atos, Intel. So in all these companies, Tech Mahindra as well, if you are getting a hefty package and if you are not working or you are not working up to the like benchmark, then definitely they will send you to bench. Okay guys, so I hope that this video is quite informative for you as well. And the third important thing is that, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because this is very important, because we make this informative videos every week and we come with the videos and information as well. So please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much again. Please like this video and share it with your friends. This will be beneficial for them as well. Thank you and have a good day.